walk on land, but I'm not most fish. I'm a comb-toothed blenny. You can call me Blenny for short. Who are you?
We're the Octonauts.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for West Central DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Baghdad, or near Atlanta, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Chamblee, Clarkston, Avondale Estates, Belvedere Park, North Decatur, North Atlanta, North Druid Hills, Midtown, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Druid Hills, Tucker, Sweet Auburn, Piedmont Park, Brookhaven, East Lake, Little Five Points, Atlantic Station and West End. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Our raft is gone. This is a disaster. Don't worry, Peso. I'll think of something else.
Wait, I have an idea. Maybe we could send a message for help.
That's impossible.